Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon and Venus sign of Leo. Okay, it will be starting from 21st July to the end of July 2020. Okay, so I just want to let you know that these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone, so take the messages wisely. And if you want any personal reading, personal details regarding the readings messages, then you can contact me. I will share the contact details in the description box below. So I will start the reading for the Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Sun, Moon and Venus. Leo for the end of July. Okay, 21st July to the end of July. What is the messages for you for the coming week till the end of July? And I will pull some advice card for you at the end of the reading, and I will let you know some affirmations for that. Okay, so we will start for the reading of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Leo. What are the messages for the Leo? Okay, the Hermit, the Two of Wands and the Hierophant. Okay, and bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so you are in the hermit mode right now, or current past you was in hermit mode. You have to go within yourself. Okay, distract from the world and just go within yourself, because you are not able to see the path, you are in the darkness. Okay, so you have that knowledge what you are able to you are supposed to do. You are able to seek the knowledge within yourself. Okay, see the light, light is there, so the person is going within, and he is uh, the light is inside him. Okay, and that is guiding him to walk on the path in the darkness. So you have that power, you have that knowledge, you have that wisdom. So go within yourself. Whatever the questions are there in your mind, in your life currently going on, all the answers you will get within yourself. Okay, so distract from the world for some time, give some time for spend some time alone and meditate. So meditate, and you will find the answer. See, the person is holding one wand in his hand. Okay, there are conflicts within his mind and outside. Okay, there are internal and external conflicts, but he has to take his charge. Okay, he has to take the control of his life. He is analyzing the things. He has been holding one wand, he has been chosen one wand, so you are supposed to choose one path. Okay, analyze it, what you are able, what you want to do and what you can do. Okay, so he is just analyzing what he is supposed to do, and where he has to supposed to go. So you have some of you might be traveling. Okay, within the world, within the country or outside the country, or maybe the travel might be through the water, for the your business purpose, for your job purpose, or for your personal growth. Okay, for your spiritual growth. So the universe is telling you to take one path. Okay, choose your intuitions, trust your intuitions, go within, trust your intuitions, and then you can come to the judgment that yes, I can do this, I am supposed to do this, and choose your path intuitively. Okay, then the outcome is the Hierophant. Okay, though, so some of you are there will be the spiritual journey, and you might be recognized socially and within your culture or anything like that. Okay, or any authority figure from your society is going to guide you to come out of these challenges, to come out of these problems. Okay, so take that blessings. Okay, take that guidance, or you might be awarded or rewarded by the someone, the authority figure. Okay, this is the card of religion culture. Okay, so in your culture you might be, there are some, might be some functions, celebrations, and you might be rewarded in that. Okay, there might, and you may have the offer of the this the page of pentacle. You might get any offer regarding your job, regarding your career. Okay, so very nice. See, and the family fulfillment. Okay, 10 of cups. Okay, the family card, the happiness card. Okay, so right now I will choose the advice card for you, for the Leo, sun, moon and Venus rising. For the Leo, what is the advice for the Leo? I will let you know the affirmation for you. Okay, okay, Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. So you have to come out of your mind. Okay, be peaceful, be in a peace, and spread your peace to your surrounding. Okay, so angels are telling you to spread the peace. Okay, you yourself has to take your mind in calm, peaceful. Okay, and you are supposed to spread that vibration surrounding. Okay, so that everyone will get relief and everyone will get happy. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the perspective. Okay, so the examine your situation from the higher perspective. See, I told you there are some conflict. Okay, there are some conflict, you are supposed to go within yourself. Okay, so you have to examine this situation from the different perspective. Okay, rather than focusing on the bad thing, you just have to uh, pick up the good points with in that situation and go ahead. Okay, change your perspective of the thinking, change your perspective of the vision. Okay, the universe is telling you examine your situation from the higher perspective, see that in a higher perspective. Okay, don't analyze the things for the current situation. Okay, so I will let you know the affirmation for you. Okay, Archangel Uriel, that is become a peace ambassador. Archangel Uriel is a charge of angel of peace, and he works with the unicorns to spread the harmlessness and confidence. So be confident to choose your path. Okay, intuitively. Picking this card guides you that to continue to them and bring the peace to your world. So you have to bring the peace in your world. So I told you, you have to be calm down, you have to be peaceful yourself first, then you can spread the vibrations in the surroundings. Okay, so you have to take the affirmation that I spread peace today. Okay, I spread peace today, then only your family will get happy na. If you are peaceful, you are calm, then only you can spread the peaceful vibrations. Okay, so your affirmation is I spread peace today. And the second affirmation for you is perspective. For the perspective, change your perspective and examine your situation from the higher perspective. Okay, unicorns are seventh dimensional beings of the light, so they see all the things from the divine perspective. Okay, their guidance is examine the situation in your life through the unicorn's eyes, then take spiritually pure decisions. Okay, as you change your perspective, then only you can see the things which has been there for planned for you from the divine. Okay, so you have to take the affirmation, you have to do the affirmation that I look through the unicorn's eyes. I look through universe eyes, I look through my God's eyes, I look through my angel's eyes. Whatever you are believing, take that name and just do the affirmation that I look through unicorns, universe, angels eyes. Okay, and change your perspective, then only the 2 plus 3 is 5, then only your the positive changes will be there. Okay, so you have to do this. Okay, so this was your reading for the Leo for the last 21st July 2020 to the end of the July 2020. If the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and if you want any personal guidance, then you can contact me. I am going to share my details in the description box below. Okay, so take care, bye bye.